So in case anybody's wondering where the PEM is on a 2004 Volvo S60R, I am right next to the passenger side rear wheel. You go under, and by the way, you need to have the battery disconnected and jack stands and all that other stuff. But right here is your fuel filter, and right next to it is the housing for the PEM. And these tabs literally move sideways. I guess you can move them out too. But the whole thing sits in here and literally slides up to come out. And then your clip here looks like that. Very simple. And you push in right up top here, and or you pull up on this little bottom piece. Let me see if I can grab that with my fingernail. Right there. And that's how you remove the PEM. Now I'm doing this because I've had some start and stop and trouble with the car overall, and it's actually running good now that I put the new fuel pump in. But the old PEM here looks kind of shot, and I happen to have a used one off of eBay. It has like, I think it's kind of like a lifetime warranty with it, and I got it for 60 bucks or something like that. So I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but I will. Well, let me see what I can do here. Hang on. So here it is. It's not quite fully in. I'm gonna grab it, bring it down, and I think that's it. It's clicked. And then this connector, obviously, you can go and just click on. That's pretty easy. You should just go click. That's it. And you have your PEM installed. So again, 2004 Volvo S60R, and yeah. Now I gotta find that silly charcoal box. Okay, talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.